Hi guys, welcome to a video of Veda patashala. Today's video will be about Python basics. So today we're gonna start about variables. This is a demo. You guys can register for sessions. The email will be below. So today's session will be just about the basics, and I'll show you a really cool code that I made. So first we're gonna start about variables, which is the really basic of Python. I hope you guys all have it downloaded already, because in this video we will not be going over that. We will be going over the Python basics. So first we have the message, and the message is a variable. This is called a variable. And then in these quotations we put hello world, which is the text that we're going to print. And then we put print, and then we put these, and then we put message in the middle. And then if we run the code, press run, it'll press hello world. Then the current return that it gives is hello world, since we are giving a message. There's also an easier way to do this. We can also do this by first let me comment this so it doesn't run the code. There's an easier way to do it by like this. So if I just want to print, and then print and then enter, and then we can put hi guys, and it will also print that right there. And we need debug code sometimes too. And first we're gonna go about variable spellings do not matter. So if I'm gonna comment this, so this it can be used for short code. We do not need all this, but for to understand the concept of variables, we will need this. So we're gonna comment this, and we'll be going to the next thing, variables. So variables. So it does not matter how you spelled it. This is message. That is not how you spell message. It's message. And if you it only matters if you put the same thing in both places. I can put dogs, and I can put dogs over here too. Dogs. So the message that you want to print always needs to be in quotations. Like even here, it had to be in quotations. So the message you want to be print is quotations, but we have a variable dog, so we can just put dogs. And here we go. If we run the code, we shall got hello guys. So that's one of the code. I was trying to tell many people that it does not matter the way you spell it. You can be a horrible speller and still know Python. And then we're gonna go to the errors. So this is called debugging code. So this is really simple code to debug. If you guys can look at the thing, you guys can comment below or email us the why this is wrong, and tell us why. Please email us if you can. So message is spelled wrong from the other message, and let's see what happens when we run it. I bet you guys are all curious. And we get a trace back, and it will say this is the file that I am in. It will say line 326. This is the 326 line that I've been writing. And then it says the name message is not defined. How about if I change it to message? And then now if I run it, guess what? It says hello, since I print the statement hello. And you can put anything except special characters in here. Then there's a special thing for that. So we'll go to the, let me comment this, and I hope you guys understand the variables concept, and you guys can always practice it to get better and better at it. So avoiding syntax. So syntax is another kind of error that you guys can see. So if I put one, so let me undo this, and then so if I put one double quotation and then I put one single quotation, that's called a syntax. So then if I run it, um it'll become a traceback, since I'm not doing this correct syntax in there. So this symbol over here stands for syntax. If you guys know that. And then we also have other things in Python that you guys could know. We have I made a code about prime numbers before. You guys, I don't know if I have it over here. Um, yeah, there's prime numbers code, and a really cool code that I discovered was it was called like import web browser. And let me guys first show you turtle. Let me do this. Let's see if this works. Maybe I have to debug this. Yeah, I probably have to debug this Raider. I don't want to take time from your video. So go over here. Right now we have our current website is it's right now our current website is Veda patashala, which is our business at good. Okay, if you log in, copy all this. Copy. We made this website. You guys can come here and look for any information that you guys need. And then if you go to PyCharm, then paste this over here. And then we undo this. Make sure anything else is undone. Right. So and then here we have this. So now if we just run it, then it will take me to my website. Right now, I think we have a syntax in here too. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I think we have one over here. This should work. So here's one of the basic things you guys should learn in our further sessions with our another coach that we have over here. So let me run this. This one. Too. Oh, because I forgot. Whoops. Syntax not working now either. I need to debug a lot of these codes because they're really old and I have not used them. Let's do. Oh yeah, the guessing game. This is a really another cool one. It's called import random. The guessing game is a really cool thing that I made here. So here and do this real quick. And then we go run. We run the guessing game. You can guess a number between 1 to 9. I guess 8. Your guess was too low. Guess a number higher than 8. Maybe 9. Congratulations, you won because the number over here I put was where is that? Oh yeah, it's a random number. So this import random generates a random number. You guys can I'll copy paste this into our description. You guys, and then if I lost, it'll be you lost. I have 5 attempts. It says if not chances, 5 attempts. And then it says your guess is higher or lower. So this is another really cool code that I made. And I made that you guys could play. Um, and fool around with. When I started Python, I always fooled around with code. And then we have the turtle graphics. Import turtle. Turtle graphics is a way to draw stuff. Like if I want to draw like a square, a complete square that keeps going, I can draw that. I can press run, and it keeps drawing the square into a spiral. And it's like a spiral square. Anyway, this is all done in Python. Remember that it's all done in Python. So that's one of the things we could do, and that's pretty much it for today's lesson. You guys could start and sign up for sessions and email us. I will put the email down below in the description. I hope you guys liked my video, and subscribe and like. Thank you.